Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. Woodworking wood chisels are an essential tool for any woodworking enthusiast. These chisels allow for precise and clean cuts in wood, making them ideal for carving, shaping, and smoothing. They come in a variety of sizes and shapes, including straight, bent, and angled, allowing for versatility in any project. A durable steel blade and comfortable handle make these chisels easy to use and long-lasting. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, a set of woodworking wood chisels is a must-have for any workshop. Our team research and best advice of experts, we have select 3 best wood chisel sets in 2023. For you, the link of the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you want more interesting product reviews, visit our GuideKnight YouTube channel.
Shopping with GuideKnight as. Let's start with our top picks. Number 3. WINCKELSTEEL Tools Set.
To do quality work, you need quality tools. We put the care and attention into these tools that you'd put into your work. After a ton of research, we've finally been able to put together a set of amazingly high-quality chisels that doesn't break the bank. Whether you're a respected professional, skilled hobbyist, or a complete beginner, you'll get along with these the moment you pull one from the bag. True professional tools, without the expensive price tag. Exactly what you need to get started: light, very sharp, and responsive. After months of research, we finally ended up with a set of 12 wood chisels to get you going straight out of the box. Getting a decent set of chisels that will last you until you are extremely competent just wasn't being catered for, unless you wanted to make a serious hole in your pocket.
Number 2. Mophorn Lathe Chisel.
Solid blades design. The lathe chisels are made from 60 CRV, featuring shrill edge and fine grinding. Our entire shank has been heat treated. It can be used after grinding. Durable and accurate design. Blade length is about 3 3/4, 95 millimeters. 12 PCS chisel set. Chisel's range and overall length is about 7.5, 190 millimeters. The lathe tools includes 12 essential chisels: 1x skew chisel, 3x flat chisel, 1x fan-shaped head chisel, 2x triangular knife, 1x arc chisel, 1x moon-shaped head chisel, 3x cage chisel. Secure iron ferrules. 60 CRV blades are tightly connected to the handle by durable iron ferrules, ensuring chisel security and reliability while working.
Number 1. Hurricane Wood Chisel.
Premium material. Drop forged chrome vanadium steel blade for durability, and heat treated for edge retention. Widely function edge. Bevel edge for woodworking, carving, multi-purpose use. Suitable for all softwood, hardwood, and laminated wood products. Various sizes: 1/4 inch, 1/2 foot, 3/4, 1 full-length blade guard for added safety. Durable handle. PVC color transparent high-impact handle. Surface treating. Lacquer coating protects and lubricates blade for smooth cutting.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.